Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. For sixth people, yesterday I conducted exam. Just I will explain question paper. First Roman, I given 1 mark questions. First question, write the face value of 6. Face value of 6, what ma? 6 only. The number itself is called its face value. So, face value is 6. Second one, 1 crore is equal to how many millions? 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Third one, largest 4-digit number. Which is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. Next, fourth one. Here expanded form I given 4,30,753. 4,30,753. In second Roman I given 2 more questions. In that first one, write the expanded form of 3,47,028. So 3 into lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. 3 into lakh, 3 lakh plus 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 8. So we can remove 0. So 3 lakh plus 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 20 plus 8. Like this you have to write expanded form. Next, arrange in ascending order. Second question, given numbers are 5,000, 7,500, 85,400, 7,861, 4,320. So we have to write ascending order. Ascending order means numbers are arranged from smaller number to bigger number. In these numbers, which is the smaller number? 4,020 is less than, 5,000 is less than, 7,500 is less than 85,400. Next, third question, round off to the nearest tens, hundreds. Third question, 1,787 nearest tens. So already I explained in the classes, when you are rounding to tens place, before digit you have to see ones place digit. Here 7 is there. 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 8 with 1, remaining 0. So what it is? The nearest of 90. Same number we have to round off to the hundreds place. When you are rounding hundreds place, you see before digit means tens digit also. Here 8 is there. 8 is greater than 5. So we have to add hundreds place 1. Remaining make it 0. So what you will get? 1,800. In that next one, next number 64,383. 64,834. If you round off this number tens place, when you are rounding tens place, you have to see ones place. Here ones place 4 how? It is less than 5. No need to add tens place, right? As it is, ones place make it 0. So what you will get? 64,830. Same number if you round off to the hundreds place. So what you will get in hundreds place means you have to see tens place. Here tens place also less than 5. So no need to add hundreds place 1 and make it tens place, ones place 0. So what you will get? 64,800. Next, fourth question. Roman numerals we have to write 349. What is the symbol for 100? C, C, C. 49. How we will write 40 XL? 9, 1x. Like this you have to write. Next, second one. 904. 900 means 1000 minus 100. M 1000 symbol. M minus C, you will get 104. So this one 904. Next, last Roman. Third Roman. Third Roman. First one. Write the given numbers in Indian system and international system. First number 89,4206. So if you take in Indian system, how we will write this one? 8,94,206. Same number if you write in international system. What you will write? 894,206. In international system, every 3 digits after we have to place comma. Next one. 94652430. Here first if you write in this number in the Indian system, which you place here 9,46,52,430. Same number if you write in international system, 94,652,430. Like this you have to write it. In that last question, find the difference between smallest number, greatest and smallest number by using the digits. Which digits given here? 76903. By using these digits, greatest number. When you are writing greatest number, what I said, arrange the digits greater to smaller. 97603. So don't place commas. Commas if you place means that are digits. So when you written number, don't place commas. So just according to place value you place. Yesterday one member written all commas. Don't write like that. Next, smallest number. Smallest number means we have to write, here greatest you will get 30. Smallest means 0, you should not write first, so 30637. After that we have to find difference. Difference means what you have to do, children? Subtraction. 10 minus 7, 3. Here 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Here 7 and 9. So what? 1, 12 minus 7, 5. Here 5, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Here 6. Here 6. So answer 66,951. This is yesterday's question paper. Yesterday some members only written exam, so all of you try to write exam and everyday listen classes. So yesterday I given 4 problems homework also. Just you listen homework problems. Yesterday homework problems. First one, find the difference between the place values of 9 and 5 in the number. 9,05,326. What is the place value? Place value of 9 what in this number? 9 lakh. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in which place? Thousands place. 5,000. So what we have to find difference? Difference means subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 9. Here 8. So like this you have to write. In second problem, homework problem, second one. Write all the possible 3-digit numbers formed by the given digits. Given digits what here? 6, 8, 9. By using these digits, we have to write possible 3-digit numbers. Possible 3-digit numbers. Yesterday, one member asked this question doubt. Listen carefully. So, 3-digit numbers. By using these numbers, we have to write 3-digit numbers. 689. It is a 3-digit number. 896. It is a 3-digit number. 986. It is also 3-digit number. Next, still we can write 869, 968, 696, 98, 689, 896, 869, 986. Like this, these numbers are possible by using these digits. Next, third question. Find the product of greatest 4-digit number and greatest 2-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. And which is the greatest 2-digit number? Which is the greatest 2-digit number? 99. Both product we have to do. Product means what we have to do? Multiplication. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89. Again 9 9s are 81, 89. 9 9s are 81 plus 1, 8, 89. Same you will get 1, 9, 9, 9, 8. 1, 10, 19, 19, 89. So, like this you will get answer. You have to write greatest 4-digit number and greatest 2-digit number. What they asked you have to see. They asked find the product means multiplication you have to do. Next, last question. Write the smallest 5-digit number using 3 different digits. Smallest 5-digit number we have to write 5-digit number using 3 different digits. We have to take 3 different digits. I explained already in the class 3 different digits. They didn't given here digits. We have to take digits. Then what we have to see first? Smallest. If they asked smallest, what we have to take? 3 different digits are smaller digits we have to take. Which are smaller digits in the digits? We have digits how many? 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So smaller means we have to take 0, 1, 2. Greater means 9 we have. So by using these digits, we have to form smallest 5-digit number. So we can write smallest 5-digit number 1. We can write 3 zeros 2. This is the smallest 5-digit number only. By using this, we can write still so many numbers. 1 0 2 0 0. Also we can write 1 2 0 0. Also we can write, or we can take 2 1. They asked the smallest number. In this, if you write any number from these numbers, this is the smallest number. See here. This number is 10,002. This number 10,200. This number 12,000. This number 21,000. So, if you write remaining numbers are all are greater than of this number. So, this is the smaller number. So, like this you have to write it.